The GPX team started from a very strong base. The Wales Audit Office has had its own specific responsibility in the Act. So the GPX team has been preparing, delivering and raising awareness of the Act since 2013-14. Since the creation of the Future Gens Office, we have built on these strong foundations, quickly resulting in a very strong bond between the Future Gens Office and ourselves, and we're always happy to share, bounce ideas of each other to the mutual benefit of both the WAO and the Future Gens Office. We've been promoting and raising awareness of the WFG Act since 2013-2014. So when the office came into being, that enabled us to help and move things forward much quicker because of our sort of strong and passionate sort of support of the Act. It naturally fell into place with the office. I suppose one of the things we've noticed over the last 3 or 4 years is that sort of awareness was quite low initially, and it's shifting now. We are seeing a change in the awareness and people starting to realise that this is actually a game changer.